Hello everybody, today we make puree onion soup. For the onion soup I chop already sweet onion, I got a shallot I chop already, I got a potato, I use a potato to make it thick the soup. I need black pepper, salt, thyme, wine, white wine, butter, and I got over here the cheese. This is the Gruyere, and I got a chicken stock. Okay, now I got the gas on the pots. I got to start with the butter. We put oil. The oil I put, it's olive oil. Okay, now you can see the oil and the butter start to bubble. Now I put onion and shallot. This is the shallot. It got to be caramelized really, really good. Look at this, how beautiful this onion. This soup, it got to be so good tonight, especially with this weather. You need onion soup. Because the weather is cold, it's a good time to make this kind of soup. You know, this night you gotta cook on medium. You gotta give it time. Okay, you gotta caramelize and no burn and not too white the onion. It gotta be nice color. And this I check all the time and make it turn all the time. Okay, make sure there's no stick on the bottom of the pots. Okay, now this is the time, you see the onion, it's a nice caramelized, the color. And now it's the time to put the potato. At the same time I put the potato, I want to use salt. I got over here sea salt. And I got a black pepper over here, like a teaspoon of black pepper. And I use all. And I want to use half cup white wine. Oh! It's a shame I'll put the wine over here. How wonderful me. Look at this. Beautiful. You see the color now? Now this with the potato, I leave it stay like maybe 7 minutes. After we put the chicken stock to cook together for 15-20 minutes. Okay, now look how beautiful looking now. Now it's the time of the chicken stock to go in. Okay, and I got the thyme I put inside, and now this you gotta cook for 20 minutes. But when it start to boil, we gotta put on low. Okay, no gotta boil too much. Okay, now the potato was cooked for 20 minutes. It's everything ready, and now we turn the gas off. Cause we gotta puree this, the onion soup. Okay, good. It look good. Okay, now this, let's see now. Oh, look how nice it look. Look how nice cream in my onion soup. Look how beautiful. This look beautiful now. But wait when I put my Gruyere, the cheese. And we put in the oven, and when we take out, I want to enjoy it by myself. Okay, let me check this. Oh, this is ready. All right. Let me take out. Okay. Now, I want to taste, but this and it's really, really hot. Oh. The cheese, it's a nice melt. Oh, really, really good. Look at the cheese and my onion soup. You need this. You need a nice glass of wine. I salute the cincin everybody. This onion soup, beautiful, good taste. If the weather gets so cold outside, this, it's number one. Salute e cincin everybody. Thank you.